My name is Jacob Ayers. I am our lead technician and work here in the lab at the hangar. I've been with Wurth Additive for 5 years now, and I've been with the team since the beginning. And a lot of what I work on is a lot of back-end like process development around printers and materials and how we use them and how customers might use them. And through that, I've got to work a lot on the digital inventory project from the beginning and kind of the early like prototypes for it. So it's been exciting to work through that whole process and see it go from like a very basic wireframed project together to the large database driven system that it is now. So digital inventory can help a small business or a startup that's developing some kind of hardware based thing. Like let's say, for instance, you're a welding shop and you use a lot of argon gas for your welding, and you want a means of identifying which tank is empty once you've used it. So when the air gas guy shows up to get your empty gas tanks, he knows which ones to take versus taking your full ones. You decide, I'm going to make this really cool ring that says empty on it, it's in bright yellow, and you post that onto Facebook or Instagram, wherever your social media preferences are, and other welders are like, oh my God, that's awesome, I want that. And now all of a sudden, you have a problem of, how do I fulfill this demand? So with digital inventory, you could take said model, create your digital recipe for it, and then publish it to Shopify or whatever web store of your choosing, and have it where people could buy digital licenses to it. And then they could print it on their own. So now you can monetize your design and capitalize on the demand and securely distribute your IP without someone stealing it.